Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling exterior products on Amazon. These products have been chosen by customers like you, praised for their quality, durability, and innovative features. Without any delay, let's get started. Introducing the 7-way trailer cord and 7-gang junction box kit with a 12V breakaway switch and plug holder. An essential heavy-duty 8-foot trailer wiring harness kit designed for trailers, RVs, and campers. This powerhouse product takes the number 5 spot on our best-selling exterior items on Amazon, and for good reason. Imagine the ease of installation with our robust junction box, featuring 7 color-coded terminals and wires. Each wire corresponds to a specific function, making wiring a breeze. These junction boxes aren't just convenient, they are built to last. Waterproof and dust-resistant, they ensure that your trailer cords stay protected from the elements, significantly extending their lifespan. But that's not all. The heart of this kit is the 7-way trailer cord, crafted from high-quality pure copper. This material isn't just about durability. Pure copper excels in electrical and thermal conductivity, ensuring that your car lights, from turn signals to brake lights, perform flawlessly, even during long drives. Safety is paramount, which is why we've included a 12V breakaway switch. This critical feature links your trailer's breakaway battery and brake system, providing an extra layer of security. If your trailer disconnects while in motion, the cable triggers the brakes, bringing the trailer to a safe stop. And, to make your life even easier, we've updated our detailed wiring instructions. These instructions cater to the most common RV trailer wiring standards, yet we acknowledge the diversity in trailer manufacturing. So please, take a moment to review the wiring guide carefully. Connect the cables according to the color and function to avoid any mishaps. This versatile kit is not just for trailers. It's a perfect fit for RVs, campers, caravans, food vans, and any towed vehicle. Whether it's taillights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, or auxiliary power, this kit connects them all seamlessly. Elevate your towing experience with the 7-way trailer cord and 7-gang junction box kit, where safety meets durability and convenience meets performance. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in quality and peace of mind. Taking the number 4 spot in our top 5 best-selling exterior products on Amazon is the CURT 25080 trailer coupler pin. A small but mighty accessory that every trailer owner needs. First, let's talk about versatility. Measuring 1 4-inch in diameter and 2 3/4 inches in length, this pin fits a wide array of trailer couplers. But it doesn't stop there. Use it for a trailer jack wheel, a pintle hook, and more. It's a jack of all trades in the world of trailer accessories. Now, security is paramount. This coupler safety pin ensures your trailer coupler latch stays firmly engaged with the trailer ball. The solid pin provides robust strength, while the retainer clip guarantees it won't vibrate or rattle loose during your journey. It's peace of mind in a compact form. Ease of use is another highlight. The square retainer clip, crafted from spring steel, is semi-flexible, making it a breeze to operate. Insert the safety pin into the coupler latch, and the square retainer clips on effortlessly, securing the pin in place. Durability is where this product truly shines. Protected by a tough zinc-plated finish, it boasts excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. This means you get longevity and hassle-free use every time you hit the road. Finally, let's not forget strength. Made from solid steel, this 1 4-inch trailer coupler pin delivers reliable strength and safety. You can embark on every adventure with confidence, knowing your trailer is secured by one of the best. The CURT 25080 trailer coupler pin, small in size but packed with features. Versatile, secure, easy to use, corrosion resistant, and high strength. It's the dependable companion every trailer owner needs. Claiming the number 3 spot on our countdown of best-selling exterior products on Amazon is the CURT 21510 trailer hitch pin and clip with vinyl-coated grip. This is not just any hitch pin. It's an epitome of design and durability, engineered to perfection. First off, let's talk about comfort. Both the hitch pin and clip come with a vinyl-coated handle. This isn't just for looks. It ensures a more comfortable handling experience and provides a superior grip, making it easy to secure your trailer hitch without fuss. Versatility is key. With a 5/8-inch diameter, this hitch pin is compatible with any ball mount or trailer hitch accessory that has a 2-inch shank and 5/8-inch pinhole. Whether it's Class 3, 4, or 5 trailer hitches, this pin fits seamlessly. It's the universal solution you've been looking for. Handling couldn't be easier. The 105-degree bend in this hitch pin is not just a design choice. It creates a practical handle, making the pin simpler to insert and remove. This bend also ensures that the pin stays securely engaged in the trailer hitch and ball mount, giving you peace of mind on the road. Durability? Absolutely. The hitch pin is protected by a tough zinc-plated finish, offering superb resistance to rust and corrosion. This means longevity and hassle-free use, no matter how often you hitch and unhitch. And let's not forget strength. Crafted from solid steel, this 5/8-inch trailer hitch pin delivers reliable strength and safety. It's designed to withstand the rigors of the road, providing confidence with every mile of your journey. So there you have it, the CURT 21510 trailer hitch pin and clip. Comfortable grip, versatile fit, easy handling, corrosion resistant, and high strength. It's the perfect companion for all your towing adventures. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling exterior products on Amazon? Well, don't leave us hanging like a loose hitch. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're always hitched to our latest updates. Holding the impressive number 2 spot in our countdown of best-selling exterior products on Amazon is the Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Pin. This isn't just any hitch pin, it's a patented 5/8 inches locking receiver hitch pin, packed with features that set it apart. First, let's celebrate its roots. Proudly American-owned and family-operated, Rhino USA embodies the spirit of small business excellence. By joining the Rhino family, you're supporting a USA-based father and son business committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Security is paramount. This anti-theft hitch pin, forged from solid steel, offers robust protection for your trailer and hitch. Whether it's your truck, boat, or bike, you can trust this pin to keep your valuable equipment safe from theft. Versatility is another standout feature. Designed to fit all Class 3 and IV hitches, specifically 2 inches x 2, this hitch pin slides in with ease, making it a perfect fit for a wide range of towing setups. It's the one pin to rule them all. The innovation doesn't stop there. Rhino USA's patent-pending design includes a newly added weatherproof slide cap. This ingenious addition shields the pin from dirt, mud, and gunk, ensuring it stays clean and functional, no matter the conditions. But what truly sets Rhino USA apart is their commitment to your satisfaction. They guarantee a 5-star experience, promising to refund your money if you aren't 100% satisfied for any reason. It's a promise of quality and customer care that's hard to beat. So there you have it, the Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Pin. American-made, anti-theft, versatile, innovative, and backed by a satisfaction guarantee. This hitch pin isn't just a product, it's a commitment to quality, security, and customer satisfaction. Taking the coveted number 1 spot in our top 5 best-selling exterior products on Amazon is the BougeRV electric tongue jack cover. This product is a testament to the perfect blend of quality, functionality, and thoughtful design. Let's dive into the details. Crafted from 600D polyester fabric, this cover boasts high tear strength. The robust 600D waterproof Oxford fabric ensures that your electric tongue jack remains dry, no matter the weather. Rain or shine, this cover stands as a reliable guardian for your equipment. Now let's talk about the features. The BougeRV jack cover is equipped with an adjustable drawstring and a barrel cord lock on both sides. This design detail ensures the cover holds securely in place, providing a snug fit that won't slip or loosen, even in strong winds. It's the small details that make a big difference in performance. Waterproofing is essential. All internal seams of this cover are sewn with PU weather strips, making it highly resistant to water ingress. Plus, it resists fading and won't discolor your white power jack head. maintaining its pristine look over time. Size matters. Measuring 14 inches in height, 5 inches in width, and 10 inches in depth, this cover is designed to fit most electric tongue jacks. However, it's always wise to measure your jack before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. A well-fitted cover means better protection. Functionality is at the core of this product. It keeps your electric tongue jack dry and shields the casing, switches, and light from the elements. This protection prolongs the life of your equipment and keeps it in optimal working condition. When it comes to safeguarding your valuable gear, BougeRV is the name you can trust. So there you have it, the BougeRV electric tongue jack cover. Unmatched in quality, feature-rich, waterproof, perfectly sized, and highly functional. This cover isn't just a top seller, it's a must-have for every trailer and RV owner looking to protect their investment.
We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling exterior products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you.